All right, guys, we got you a 2020 Dodge Charger RT 5.7 HEMI. Hemi. What we got done on it for you guys, he brought it in. He's got factory converters here and here. And then he brought it in with an aftermarket BORLA kit, axle back, or a cat back, sorry. There's the X-pipe that comes on these BORLA kits. And then this is BORLA's version of the resonators. As you guys can see, they're really cool looking. It's a 4-pipe system right there and right there. That should cut down on the drone. And then he brought it in for us, and we put on some Chaos Motorsports active exhaust delete. As you guys can see right there, they're right here, these pieces of metal, and they come with the adapters and everything. And what it does, it eliminates the valves in the BORLA system on each side. So we installed those for them. Again, they're Chaos Motorsports active exhaust delete. And here, if you guys want it, there's the link and all that stuff. And then continued it out the back in 3-inch all the way back into a BORLA ATAK system. There, rear mufflers, and 5-inch black tips, as you guys can see. Just completely beautiful system. All stainless steel all the way back. BORLA system. So if you guys like the system, we'll see if we can find you a link in the description. Find the link in, and these are aftermarket 5-inch tips. We'll see if we can get you a link for them and the Chaos active exhaust deletes. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And they are carbon tips, actually, 5-inch tips. There'll be a link in the description for them. They're about $250 for the tips. That sounds nice. Woo! I love it. And with BORLAs, you barely hear it inside. Go ahead. Sorry about the cough, guys. This weather, man, it was 70 and now it's 30. Go ahead and back it out. Got a nice idle to it too. BORLA ATAK with some carbon 5-inch tips. Let you guys hear on the inside. Carbon 5-inch tips. Nice. That sounds so good. Enjoy, guys.